topic today is commitment, which is not the most glamorous of the 64 topics we are called upon to practice in this season of non-violence. But commitment is by far one of the most imperative of these things, for without it, we cannot hope to change our world. Our two prime mentors, Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King, committed and recommitted every day to peaceful resolution of conflict. For those of us who strive to follow in their footsteps, we must remember at every waking moment to divest ourselves of yesterday's failures and to renew our personal pledge to practice nonviolent response to the evils that sometimes surround us. Commitment demands dedication to a long-term course of action. So, one person at a time, one day at a time, one pledge at a time, we will reach that longed-for plateau, a new paradigm of peace.